Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new tutorial on the Producer Schooll. I'm Janik, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make major Lazer style vocal chops. Hope you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Let's go! So I'm going to make major Lazer style vocal chops, but the first thing we need are of course vocals. And we found an amazing producer resources site called Vandalism sounds. Maybe you know them. Martin Garrix uses their packs, Rehab, Cashmere, and they have a lot of cool packs. And you can use this discount code for 20% off of your subscription. So I'm going to search for vocals on the sites, and they have a lot of tabs in here. And let's go to sounds and then samples. You have drum samples, sound effects, sample packs, and vocals. Now we want vocals, so select vocals. And then you can see they have a lot of packs of vocal sample packs. So I'm going to use one of the vocals in this pack, in the Ultra Tropical House Vocals 4. And you can preview them with this YouTube video. You can purchase the full pack, but you can also listen just to each vocal separately, so you don't have to buy the full pack, but you can just download one sample. So I downloaded one, let me just search, it's this one, and this one I'm going to use for the tutorial. So now we're back in FL Studio, and I already made a major Lazer style beat, so let me just play it for you. So we are going to make vocal chops on top of it, and what you want to do first is to open up the Fruity Slicer and just the plugin that comes with FL Studio. I already opened up one, and as you can see, it slices the vocal in a lot of different parts, and it's the acapella I showed you before on the website of Vandalism, and it automatically slices the vocal in parts, and now you can just play with them. So that's what we are going to do. We're going to make, so we're going to make a vocal chop on top of the beat. So let's just play around with the vocal chops, and there's not actually one way to do it. There are a few methods that you can use, but I will show you mine, and I think it works really good. So let's search for a cool vocal. I really like this one, so let's select this. Maybe a bit faster. And you can just search for vocal slices that sound good. Not this one. Like this one sounds already good. So I like this first part, but I think these two last notes should be pitched up a bit. So what you can do, you can go to this control button and then select note fine pitch. And now you can pitch the note just semitones up. So every line in this grid is one note up. So let's just play around with it and let's listen if it sounds good or not. This one should be lower, I think. Yeah, this sounds good. So let's just copy this part. And let's remove this. So just to make it more interesting. and just search for parts that you like or not. I think this one should be pitched 2. This sounds good. Maybe we should put a note between these 2 notes. Nope. This one should be pitched 2. And the thing with vocal chops is just trying out things, and the more you do it, the better you will become, and that's with a lot of things, so also with vocal chops. So in my opinion this sounds good, so let's copy this again and do maybe a bit different part in the last section of the vocal chops. Let's lower this one. And only one note left, I think, between this one. So yeah, I think this sounds good, and the vocal chops sound really dry right now, so we just have to mix them. I put a lot of reverb on it, so let's open up a EQ first. Let's cut out some lows, boost some of the mid frequencies. And let's put reverb on now. It's really important because now it will, without the reverb it won't sound big, and with reverb it will sound big. So just use a decay of around 2 or 3 seconds. And let's just distort them a bit with the fast dist from Fruit Loops itself. And only one thing left, and that is sidechaining on it. So let me just open Kickstart. And you don't want too much sidechaining on the vocal chops, so just put it around 60%. And let's just check how it sounds right now. Maybe a bit more reverb, more sidechaining. So this is how it sounds right now. So I'm pretty happy with the end result. I hope you are happy too with the end result. Make sure to check out the site that I mentioned before, Vandalism Sounds. I will leave a link in the description. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.